Bulgarian split squat. Stand in front of a bench and place one leg behind you on the bench. If the bench is too high for you, you can place a barbell in a rack to the desired height and place a pad on it. Try finding your ideal distance from the bench. This shouldn't be too close or too far away from it. Squat down while keeping your balance and most of your weight on the front foot. Your front knee should be aligned with the foot. It mustn't cave in during the exercise. Go down as far as you can without losing your posture. Then squat back up. Common mistake: foot too far from the bench. While this won't cause any injury, it puts too much emphasis on the glutes and makes you unstable. We want equal glute and quad activation. Common mistake: foot too close to the bench. The same holds true for keeping the foot too close. It will put too much emphasis on the quad and may cause knee discomfort for some.